Okay, starting with numerical number 20, that is energy is emitted from a hole in an electric furnace. Where is that hole? That hole is an electric furnace at the rate of 20 watt. Here the rate is given, means we have dq upon dt, that is 20 watt. After that, when the temperature of the furnace is 727 degrees Celsius, means the temperature of the furnace is 727 degrees Celsius. If we convert it into Kelvin, it will be 727 plus 273 Kelvin, which is 1000 Kelvin. Now, what is the area of the hole? A is asked. Take Stephen's constant as 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 joule per second per meter square per Kelvin raised to 4. Now we have this formula with us, that is amount of heat radiated per unit time per unit area is equal to sigma T raised to 4. Here we will be considering this hole as the black body. Okay, this hole will be considering as a black body, because if this is the furnace and there is a hole from which the energy is radiated or the energy is emitted, so of course this hole can be considered as a black body. So this is the black body, so we will not have E over here in the formula. For ordinary bodies we have E in the formula. Now what we have, dq upon dt. So this is dq upon dt. So dq upon dt, what is asked? Area is asked. Let's take the area in the numerator, this sigma and T raised to 4 as it is. Then in the next step, area, let area be over here, dq upon dt, sigma and T raised to 4 will come in the denominator. Now just the substitution part, dq upon dt is 20 upon, what is sigma? It is 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8. So 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8, and then temperature is 1000. So 1000 raised to 4. 1000 raised to 4 means 1000 raised to 4 means this 3 zeros 4 times. One time, twice, thrice, and fourth time. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I can write it 10 raised to 12. So in next step, this is equal to area. In next step, what I'll be writing? 20 upon 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 into this is 10 raised to 12, which is equal to area. Now 10 raised to minus 8 and 10 raised to 12. So 12 minus 8, that is 4. So we have 20 upon 5.7 into 10 raised to 4 is equal to my area. Now 20 upon 5.7. So let's okay, 20 upon 5.7, take this 10 raised to 4 in the numerator, and now we will calculate this 20 and 5.7. Now we have 1 0 over here, so that this and this gets cancelled. So it is now 10 raised to minus 3, right? How it got cancelled? See, 20 and here we had 10 raised to minus 4. So I can write 20 as 2 into 10 and this 10 raised to minus 4. So 2 into, here we have 1. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So it is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. Let's do the calculation, and if calculation division is not easy, we can what can I say in this? Chalo, let's do the calculation, division or log. Log of 2 minus log of 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to A. So we'll be finding log of 2, only one digit, So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 point. We don't have log of 2, so we'll be looking for 20. It is 3010. 3010. Then minus only one digit, so 1 minus 1 0 and 57 के इसमें देखेंगे माइनस 0.57 के 0 में देखेंगे 57 का 0 is 7559 7559 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to my area. Now let's subtract 0.3010 minus 0.7559. So here I'll get a negative number. This is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. This will become 2. 10, 9, 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now we don't have any digit over, so it will become minus 1. It will become 12. 12 minus 7, it is 5 point. And minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. So this is the digit NT log of bar 1.5451. Bar 0.5451 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to your A. So we'll be looking NT log of 54, 5 ka 1. NT log 54, 5, 1. It is 3508 plus 1, that is 3509. Here we have minus 1, so into 10 raised to minus 1, and यहाँ पर point after one digit we'll put the point into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to your A. So 10 raised to minus 1 when 10 raised to minus 3 is, this is 3.509 into 10 raised to minus 4, area is in meter square. Here we have obtained. Okay.